Okay, what does this say? You're leaving one commit behind, not connected to any of your branches. Let me finish something else.
Okay.
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 So I will go to my development branch.
Mm-hmm.
And I will get fetch stream.
Development.
And then I will hit merge upstream development to get the latest. I'm already up to date there. So I go back to my tryout forms branch. And now I'll start the rebase. So I'll rebase from development. Let's see what happens. Should get a conflict on seeds right there.
2 files.
Yeah. So
Last night I resolved those 2 things, but it is not saving into my Git.
okay. So let's look at that then. Let's look at
Okay. First one is an agency edit person. I have some white spaces.
well, let's fix the seeds merge problem first, okay?
Okay.
Yep. So let me go down and find the first place we had problems. Now I think, first of all, just going down here.
61 or 62, 105, 2 places.
Yep. So I don't think any of this stuff is needed. Company, and then company person, and job categories. So Salim added a bunch of stuff in this block here to make company, job categories, company people. So all the stuff above here is not needed anymore. So we can take out company stuff to company create. The addresses are required for company people. We don't need those because of what I showed you that Salim added.
Okay.
And we can also take out job categories. He's also got jobs created. So we don't need any of this stuff. So we can keep what's coming in from upstream development. Check this out. And while we're at it, you don't know this, but we dropped the skill level table, or the usage of skill level table from our model, from our app. So I'm just going to remove this skill level creation business. We don't need it anymore. Not used. So is there any more conflict that occurs here? Let's see. Let's just go down. I think that is it. Okay, so there's only one conflict block, so I'm going to save that. And just to see if it actually worked, go back to
console.
Yeah, I'll go back to the console. I will drop the
Git,
database. Yep. And now see if it blows up on us like last night.
yeah.
It should not. It's easy for me to look at that seed file in my own editor. It's just really tough because it's so big. You got to have a broader view of it, you know?
Yeah.
If this works, what I'll do is I will commit the modified seed file to my repo, and then you could pull that to your repo like we did before.
Okay.
And that should deal with your merge conflict for DB seed. So right now in your feature branch, see it succeeded, so we're okay there. In your feature branch, you haven't started a rebase yet, right?
Yeah.
Is that correct? Okay, good. Let's leave it that way. So I will have now these files came in from upstream. They're not showing any conflict. But
These are my files. All these are my files. I already in my Git.
yeah, you edited them, but also upstream had changes in them. But when I did the
No, only my changes, those files.
really okay.
I already saved into my current branch those ones, my updates.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
The subform.html is the user forms we are using.
Well, what I'm saying is there were versions of these files upstream, but or are you saying even upstream there was not, like this file didn't even exist, this subform file?
No,
Did not?
no.
I don't understand why they're showing up as modified then. Let me just check that real quick, okay? Let's go
Yeah, I
to
created.
let's go to GitHub. Go to the MetPlus and let's look under views, and we're talking about, yeah, so I don't see users here. Oh, wait a minute. No, here it is. So we have users, but we only have confirmations. We don't have a subform there.
Yeah.
So that's interesting. Let's go back there. Yep. Okay, so they are new. So that's interesting. I'm not sure why they're showing up here as changed. But anyway, let me add. What I'll do is I'll commit these changes. Basically, I just changed the seeds file. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get push origin, and I'm going to call it Vijaya dryout forms, like I did before. So now if you go and you pull seeds.rb, db/seeds.rb from my origin feature branch Vijaya dryout forms, you'll get my updated seed file. So why don't we switch back to look at what your screen looks like?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, this is my.
Okay.
Last night also I did updates, but it is not saving seed file Budgie conflict.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so what you want to do is now you want to pull down my seeds file. So you need to do a git fetch. What is the name of my remote origin for you?
Patrick.
Okay, git fetch Patrick.
First I have to
Yep.
git fetch Patrick.
Yep, that's it. And then you want to just, so you're still in your feature branch, right? You should be. So if you do git branch, you're still in your feature branch?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to do this. Let's see. Put it into your
Git checkout.
I put it into Slack.
You put it in a chart, Patrick?
I put it into Slack. Slack, not chat, but Slack.
Okay.
Do you see it yet? Oh no, you need a space, dash dash and then a space, and then db. No, dash dash, space. Yeah. Okay. So you want to look at that seeds.rb file and see if it looks like the changes we made are in there. Okay, so if you scroll up a bit, you want to make sure that things like, okay, so we have skill level. Oh, we've still got that. That's not good. That's supposed to be gone. A CP1 business and all of that. That's not right.
Yeah.
Are you in the Are you in the right place there? And you updated, you refreshed your view of it?
Yeah, I'm in the right place.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, I'm in that current feature branch.
Well, let's go look at it again.
I'll do it one more time.
Well, let me see.
I'll do one thing. I'll go back to development and come back. We'll see.
Well, why don't you cut and paste the command that I put in the Slack just to make sure we've got that 100% correct. Git checkout. Looks right.
Yeah, that is correct. We did before also.
Mm-hmm.
You send it to the...
Why don't you open the seeds file again in your editor? Let's see what it looks like.
Seed file?
in your editor, open the seeds.rb file.
It is showing the whole file.
Mm-hmm.
I'll do it.
Oh, I don't think you want to check out my seeds file into that.
Okay.
Is that what you? Yeah, I wouldn't. Right. Yeah.
No, it is the whole file.
Okay. Well, this is not making any sense to me. Go back. Okay, so part of the problem could be that I didn't finish my rebase.
Mm-hmm.
Let me continue with that.
I have same command in my Slack. Last time you sent it to Patrick.
Yeah, I know.
Check out Patrick.
Yep. So I think because I didn't finish my rebase action, that there was a problem with that. So I'm going to finish it right now. Can't see it, but that's okay. You know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I think the problem was that I had fixed a merge conflict against one of your commits, but the rebase went through another commit that presented more conflicts. So let me just now I'm seeing another conflict problem. Why don't I switch to my screen so we can see what I'm doing?
Okay.
And then we can go back to your screen once I'm done with that. Okay, so what I did was I did, let's see. Sometimes it's hard to get status. Yeah, get rebase skip. And then it tried to apply another one of your, it goes in successions and as each commit appears. And then it found another conflict.
Okay.
And so when I go and look at that conflict, let me just do what I did here. Okay. So I still have this stuff here. Not sure why. We
This
don't need
one.
it. We again don't need this stuff. So I'm going to take it out.
After the agency create, we have one more head file.
Yep. Okay. We'll get to that in a second. Yeah. Okay, so this looks all clean. Then we go into this big block of creating a bunch of 200 objects of different types. Which is fine. Let's see. Yep. And come out of that down here. Okay.
Yeah, 322 or what? I did not see the one more block.
Yeah. So is there another head associated with that up here? I don't think so. I think I took that out. Okay.
Here is that is 4 or dash dash.
Okay. What does that? That's associated with the agency itself. Okay, you know, I'm going to undo this. I'm going to open that file again. Figure out what's going on. Okay, so this will have the latest merge conflicts. Go down here. Okay. So this is saying upstream has this. Upstream does not have all of this stuff. Updates for dry forms. Okay, so I don't think we need this, as we know. So that's one block. Then we have all of this stuff. So head has this.